Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Edge 820. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for about 1 second. Next, pair it with your smartphone using the Garmin Connect app for seamless data transfer. You can then customize your data fields to show important metrics like speed, distance, and elevation. Don't forget to set up your rider profile, including your weight and heart rate zones, to ensure all your ride data is as accurate as possible. This initial setup is quick and easy. Once set up, navigating with your Edge 820 is straightforward. You can create new courses directly on the device or easily import them from the Garmin Connect platform. The device provides clear turn-by-turn directions, both visually on the screen and through audible alerts, guiding you precisely. It comes with a preloaded Garmin cycle map, helping you discover and explore new routes with confidence. If you ever go off course, the device will automatically recalculate your route, getting you back on track quickly. The Garmin Edge 820 is a powerful tool for enhancing your training. It allows you to monitor key performance metrics like power output, pedaling cadence, and heart rate in real time. You can also utilize advanced training features, such as functional threshold power testing and the Recovery Advisor, to optimize your workouts. Track your personal records and compare them against past rides to see your progress. Connecting ANT Plus sensors, like a power meter, provides even more comprehensive data for a deeper analysis of your performance. To ensure your Garmin Edge 820 performs its best, regular maintenance is key. Always keep your device software updated to access the latest features and improvements. Remember to clean the touchscreen and charging port regularly to prevent any debris from causing issues. You can maximize battery life by adjusting the backlight settings and disabling features you aren't currently using. Also, explore the group track feature, which allows you to see the real-time location of other riders in your group directly on the map, enhancing safety and camaraderie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.